Have you come across inaccurate screen time data on your iPhone? In this video, we'll guide you through fixing it. First and foremost, attempt to disable screen time on your iPhone. Then, re-enable it to check if the issue has been resolved. Navigate to Settings, then to Screen Time, and scroll down to the bottom. Select Turn Off App and Website Activity, and confirm your choice by tapping on it again. Once the screen time is disabled, allow a few minutes to pass. Afterwards, access the App and Website Activity section under Limit Usage, turn on App and Website Activity. Subsequently, consider deactivating the Show Wallpaper feature within the Always On Display setting. Open Settings, proceed to Display and Brightness, and select Always On Display. Within the Customize section, disable the toggle adjacent to Show Wallpaper. Lastly, adopt the practice of placing your iPhone face down overnight. Screen time logs every instance the screen illuminates, even if it's due to notifications. Cover the proximity sensor to prevent unnecessary screen activations. Hopefully, these solutions will address the screen time issues on your iPhone. Now, why not subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of our tailored videos?